Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where we share natural health remedies that work with your body, not against it. Today, we're talking about something golden, literally. Turmeric water at night. Why are so many people drinking this before bed? Is it really worth the hype? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this powerful drink does for your body, how to make it, and when to drink it for the best results. What is turmeric water? Let's start with the basics. What is turmeric water? It's simply warm or hot water mixed with turmeric, usually in powder form, though fresh turmeric can also be used. 1 cup warm water. 1/2 tsp turmeric powder. Optional, pinch of black pepper. Optional, 1/2 tsp honey or lemon. When taken at night, turmeric water acts like a natural reset button for your body. But why nighttime? Because this is when your body goes into repair mode, and turmeric supercharges that process. Let's dive into the 7 major benefits. 1. Reduces inflammation. First up, inflammation. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory agents in nature. Chronic inflammation is linked to joint pain, fatigue, weight gain, even heart disease. Drinking turmeric water at night allows your body to absorb curcumin while you rest, helping reduce stiffness and soreness overnight. 2. Improves digestion. Turmeric water can calm your digestive system, especially if you've had a heavy dinner. It helps reduce gas, bloating, and acid reflux. It also supports bile production, which is key for fat digestion. If you often wake up feeling heavy or bloated, this simple drink might be a game changer. 3. Detoxifies the liver. At night, your liver does most of its detox work. Turmeric enhances liver enzyme activity, helping flush out toxins more efficiently. If you drink alcohol, eat processed food, or take medication, your liver's working overtime. Give it a little love with turmeric water. 4. Boosts immunity. Let's talk about your immune system. Turmeric is antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. Drinking it before bed helps your body build a stronger defense while you sleep. Especially during flu season or after travel, this can be your nightly defense shield. 5. Promotes deeper sleep. Yes, turmeric may actually help you sleep better. It lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and supports melatonin production, the sleep hormone. Pair it with honey and warm water, and you've got a natural sleep elixir. 6. Supports weight loss. Turmeric water also helps regulate blood sugar and reduce insulin resistance. This means fewer nighttime cravings and better fat metabolism. It's not a magic pill, but when paired with healthy habits, it definitely supports weight loss. 7. Anti-aging and skin health. Lastly, turmeric is full of antioxidants. It fights free radicals that age your skin, damage your cells, and cause wrinkles. Drinking turmeric water at night helps you heal and renew from the inside out. Hello, morning glow. How to make it? Let's make it together. Here's a simple bedtime turmeric water recipe you can prepare in just 2 minutes. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water. 1/2 tsp turmeric powder. Pinch of black pepper to increase curcumin absorption. Optional, 1/2 tsp honey or lemon juice. Instructions: 1. Heat the water, don't boil it. 2. Stir in the turmeric and black pepper. 3. Add honey or lemon if desired. 4. Drink slowly 30 minutes before bed. Can I drink this every night? Yes, but start with 3 to 4 nights a week to see how your body responds. Are there side effects? Avoid if you're on blood thinners, or consult your doctor if you're pregnant or taking medications. Can I use fresh turmeric? Absolutely. Just grate 1/2 inch of turmeric root instead of powder. Always choose organic turmeric for best results, and remember, consistency is key. There you have it, 7 incredible benefits of turmeric water at night. Simple, natural, and powerful. If you're trying this out, let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural remedies every week. Your health journey starts with small steps,